Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friend, in this video I'll show you the unboxing and the installation of Kaspersky Antivirus. So let's get started. Friend, this antivirus I bought online from Flipkart and it cost me around rupees 350. Kaspersky Antivirus is one of the top antivirus. It includes antivirus with internet security. Kaspersky Antivirus is a very impressive antivirus engine. It detects, prevents the harmful program from our PC. It passes mixed virus, malware, rootkits, trojaners, and many macro virus. Definitely, the company has done a great job to making this antivirus with safety, internet security. Friends, this antivirus had supported Windows operating system, but it also has a Mac version. This is the cassette of this antivirus, looking nice with a green shape. Here, this is the packet of antivirus. This is the user manual, means user guide of this antivirus. Includes activation key. Friends, it's time to install the antivirus in my PC. So let's see. First you have to insert the city and then click my computer. Then click on Kaspersky Antivirus. Then click on install. Okay, click on next. See the antivirus installing process is going on. Okay, let's see. I think it needs some time. It takes some 2 to 3 minutes to install this antivirus on PC. Okay, so let's see installing process. The process is going on. Okay, it complete 90%. Okay, now click on done. Let's see, the application has been installed successfully. Then click finish. Okay, now you can see a icon comes on my desktop screen. So let's activate the antivirus through the activation key. Okay, let's see. Okay, next. Okay, next. Fill the power of production. Next. Now it's time to activate the antivirus. So friends, be carefully. You have to write the activation key which is provided on the user guide of antivirus.